Used by the Soviet Union during World War II, the Aerosan was developed by Gorky Narkorekflota, featuring a powerful 110 horsepower radial aviation engine. These vehicles were crucial in the snowbound regions of Northern Europe, where other vehicles failed. The term Aerosan means aerosleigh, or propeller-driven sleigh. In areas with heavy snow and poor road infrastructure, Aerosans excelled. Organized into combat and transport aerosled battalions, they entered service in January 1942. Around 2,000 units were produced during the war. Constructed from aviation plywood on a wooden frame, each Aerosan featured 4 wooden skis and a 2.35-meter diameter metal propeller. Its low center of gravity made it stable at speed, and the metal propeller was durable in wooded areas. The 2-man crew, consisting of a driver and a commander or gunner, operated from a tandem cockpit. Ideal for reconnaissance, patrolling, and raiding, they often supported ski troops behind enemy lines.